Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Acharya. Today we will discuss about numerical related to economics of power generation. Our first numerical is a power station has the following daily load cycle. Load the load curve and the load duration curve. Calculate the energy generated per day. Here given data times in hours and load into megawatt. First 6 to 8 hours load is 20 megawatt, 8 to 12 40 megawatt, 12 to 16 3 megawatt, 16 to 20 20 megawatt, 20 to 24 50 megawatt, 24 to 6 20 megawatt. Given data in about to find the energy generated per day. For the formula for energy generated per day is equal to area under the daily load curve is equal to area under the daily load duration curve. First row the daily load curve. First 24 to 6 20, here 24 to 6 20, 6 to 8 20, so 0 to 8 means 20 megawatt. Next 8 to 12 hour 40 megawatt required, so here 8 to 12 megawatt, 8 to 12 hour 40 megawatt. 12 to 16 60 megawatt, here 12 to 16 60 megawatt required. 16 to 20 20 megawatt required, here 20 megawatt. 20 to 24 50 megawatt required, so here 20 to 24 50 megawatt required. From this we plot the load duration curve. First here the maximum load is the 60 megawatt, then duration is 12 to 16 means 4 hours, so 0 to 4 16 megawatt. Next 50 megawatt, for 50 megawatt 20 to 24 means 4 hour duration, here 4 hour duration 50 megawatt. Next 40 megawatt 8 to 12, here 4 hour 40 megawatt. And last 20 megawatt for 0 to 8 and 16 to 20 means total 12 hour, so that here 12 to 24 20 megawatt load duration count. Here for the energy calculation 4 hour 60 megawatt, 12 to 16 4 hour 50 megawatt, 20 to 24 4 hour 40 megawatt for 08 to 12, and last 12 hour 20 megawatt 6 to 8 8 16 to 20 24 to 6. Here the load, plotting the load duration curve, decreasing the load. Here we find the total energy generation for the load curve and load duration curve. Calculate the energy generated per day. Energy is equal to area under the daily load curve or load duration curve. Here first 60 cross 4, second 50 cross 4, third 40 cross 4 plus 20 cross 12 hour cross 10 raised to 3 or the kilo. So our answer is the 840 cross 10 raised to 3 kilowatt hour. Our next numerical is related to maximum demand and units generated per annum and load factor and average load. Here the given data are generating station as the following daily load curve. Draw the load curve and find the maximum demand, unit generated per annum and average load and load factor. Here given data time in hours 0 to 6 require the electrical energy 40 megawatt, for 6 to 10 50 megawatt, for 10 to 12 60 megawatt, 12 to 16 50 megawatt, 16 to 20 70 megawatt, 20 to 24 40 megawatt. Find the maximum demand, unit generated per annum, average load and load factor. For formula used for unit generated per annum is equal to maximum demand cross load factor cross hours in the day. For average load, unit generated per day divided by 24 hours. Load factor is the ratio of the average load to maximum demand or peak load. First, draw the load curve. Here 0 to 6, 0 to 6 hour, 40 megawatt, here 40 megawatt. Next 6 to 10 50 megawatt, 6 to 10, here 50 megawatt. Next 10 to 12 60 megawatt, 10 to 12, here 60 megawatt. 12 to 16, here 12 to 16 50 megawatt. 16 to 20, here 70 megawatt, and last 20 to 24 50 megawatt. This is plotting the load curve. From the load curve, maximum demand from the above curve is clear that the maximum load is the 70 megawatt. Here the maximum demand is the 70 megawatt. Unit generated per annum is equal to area in the kilowatt hour under the daily load curve. Here 40, 6, 50 cross hour duration 4, 50 cross 4, same 60 hour duration 2 over 3 cross 2 plus 50 hour duration 4, 50 cross 4, 70 hour duration is 16 to 24 hour, 70 cross 4 plus hour duration 4 hour, 20 to 24 is 40. And 10 raised to 3 is converted into the megawatt to kilowatt. Here F load is equal to total load divided by 24. Here total load is equal to 12 cross 10 raised to 5 kilowatt divided by 24. So our average load is the 15,000 kilowatt, and load factor is equal to average load divided by maximum demand. Here average load is the 50,000 kilowatt and maximum demand is 70 megawatt, means 70 cross 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. So our load factor is the 0.714. Last article for this chapter. The peak load on the power station is 30 megawatt. Here maximum demand is 30 megawatt. The load having the maximum demand of 25, 10, 5 and 7 megawatt are connected to the power station. Capacity of the power station is 40 megawatt. Here capacity is the 40 megawatt and annual load factor is the 50%. Calculate the average load, energy supplied per year, demand factor and the diversity factor. For the given data, peak load is 30 megawatt, capacity of the power station is 40 megawatt, annual load factor is 50%, means 0.5. Find the average load, total energy supplied per year, demand factor and diversity factor. For the formula for factor is average load upon the maximum load, energy supply per year is equal to load factor cross the maximum demand cross the hours in the year. Demand factor is the ratio of the maximum to the connected load. Diversity factor is the sum of the individual maximum demand upon the maximum demand of the station. Here first is the load factor. From the load factor we find the average load 0.5 is equal to average load upon the peak load. Peak load is the 30 megawatt, so that here average load is equal to 0.5 cross 30 cross 10 raised to 3, means the 15 cross 10 raised to 3 kilowatt. Energy supplied per year is the load factor cross the maximum demand cross the hours in the year, means the load factor is the 0.5 multiplied by the maximum demand is the 30 megawatt and Last, number of hours in the year is 8760. Our answer is 131,400,000 kilowatt hour. Next is the demand factor. Demand factor is the maximum demand upon the connected load. Maximum is the 30 cross 10 raised to 6 and connected load is the 47 cross 10 raised to 6. This means 0.63, and diversity factor is the sum of the individual demand and the demand. Sum of the individual demand is 25 plus 10 plus 5 plus 7 megawatt, means the 47 divided by the 30 megawatt, means 30 megawatt is the maximum demand. So here diversity factor is the 1.56. Thank you.